Many on-the-job activities can add harmful pollutants to stormwater that then flows right into our waterways. By taking precautions in their daily activities, solid waste employees can help reduce water pollution. This video will show how to protect stormwater quality by using best management practices for floatable controls, trash collection, transfer station and drop-off operations, mulching operations, and landfill and composting operations. Floatables are defined as litter that floats on the water surface. Try to reduce the amount of trash entering the storm drains by educating the public about the effects of littering. Ensure there are enough trash cans, recycle bins, and litter receptacles in targeted areas, and regularly empty those receptacles so they do not spill over. Maintain current stormwater control infrastructures. Structural stormwater trash controls should be cleaned regularly to prevent trash buildup that in some cases is not only unattractive, but may lead to the failure of the control device or prevent the water from flowing properly, resulting in flooding. Try to identify and do not pick up hazardous waste. Examples include used batteries, pesticides, herbicides, fireworks, ammunition, pool chemicals, and fluorescent light bulbs. Also try to identify and do not pick up liquid wastes. Examples include used motor oil, solvents, fuels, paint, antifreeze, cleaning liquids, and cooking oil. Notify residents of household hazardous waste collection and disposal opportunities. Pick up spilled trash from around cans or bags and notify residents of persistent problems with scattered trash. Watch the area around the hopper to avoid leaving litter behind, and be sure to pick up any material that falls from the truck during compaction. Include spill kits on trash collection trucks and vehicles. Spill kits may include a broom, a shovel, absorbents, or pop-up containment pools. Make certain that hopper drain plugs are always sealed during collection. Check vehicles frequently for leaking fluids and notify a supervisor of significant leaks. Immediately clean up spills to minimize safety hazards and prevent spreading. Contain spills and leaks using absorbents and take steps to stop the leak if possible. Once the spill is contained, promptly dispose of the absorbents following state and federal regulations. Wash collection trucks only in facilities where wash water drains into the sanitary sewer or is collected and recycled. Do not allow wash water to enter the storm drain system. Be on the lookout for hazardous or liquid wastes. If found, remove any of these materials and store them in designated locations for proper disposal. Pick up all windblown litter and rubbish. Use litter screens to catch windblown trash. Litter screens can be made from chain link fencing, welded wire mesh fencing, or orange construction fencing. Dry sweep the area periodically, especially before expected rain or windy conditions. If a spill occurs, locate the source of the spill and take the necessary steps to stop it. Retain the spill and prevent it from entering the environment. Immediately clean any liquid spills using absorbents. Promptly remove the absorbent material and dispose of it in accordance with state and federal regulations. Conduct facility washdown activities as directed by the supervisor. Do not hose down work areas that drain into storm sewers or drainage ways. Do not overfill collection receptacles. Make sure lids on bins and receptacles are closed, especially during rain events. Notify citizens and haulers on requirements to cover loads during transport. Remove trash and foreign materials from brush prior to grinding, and place the trash in covered containers. Use litter screens to capture wind-blown trash. Mulch berms can be used to filter runoff from the work area. These operations will have specific SWP3 requirements, governed by either a multi-sector general permit or the facility's individual registration or permit. Follow all record-keeping, training, and reporting requirements detailed in the facility's permit. Which item is not a household hazardous waste? A. Used motor oil. B. Used batteries. C. A rusty bicycle. Or D. Fluorescent light bulbs. The answer is C. A rusty bicycle. Keep an eye out for these and other household hazardous wastes, and do not pick them up with regular trash collection. What is a way to prevent litter from blowing away in the wind? A. Use trash containers with lids. B. A chain link fence border. C. Do not overfill collection receptacles. D. All of the above. The answer is D. All of the above. These practices will help keep trash from blowing away and entering the storm drain system. Trucks and equipment should be washed. A. During a rainstorm. B. In a designated wash area. C. Near a storm drain inlet. D. In the equipment storage yard. The answer is B. In a designated wash area, where wash water can be contained and is not allowed to enter the storm drain system. If a liquid spill occurs, it should be cleaned up with A. A wet mop. B. A water hose. C. Absorbents. D. It should be allowed to dry. The answer is C. Absorbents. Once the absorbents have soaked up the liquid, immediately dispose of them in the proper container. Many on-the-job activities involving solid waste can pollute our stormwater, which runs into our waterways. Help prevent stormwater pollution by not picking up liquid or hazardous wastes during trash collection, checking the vehicles frequently for leaks and containing any leaks that occur using established procedures, using windscreens and trash receptacles with closed lids to prevent litter from being blown away, washing trucks only in designated wash facilities, and following all state and federal guidelines provided in your facility's permit. By using these best management practices, you will be helping keep our community and waterways clean and healthy for future generations to enjoy.